Let's take a look at the Gaia Eco Delight vibrator. So this is the vibrator itself along with the finger sleeve. Now this is an incredible vibrator. It's eco-friendly and great for the environment as it's made of biodegradable material. The material itself feels very smooth and soft and features a rounded head just there, so you can use the vibrator alone or you can use it with the included sleeve. The sleeve itself is very easy to use. All you need to do is pop your fingers on it like so, and it features stimulating ribbing just there. It's designed for external erogenous zones such as the nipple or clitoris, but you can also use it on the skin as it is, so it's a great tool for foreplay. The material itself is very smooth and soft. Now the bullet vibrator itself comes equipped with 10 settings, that's 5 patterns and 5 speeds in totals. All you need to do is gently pop it in the sleeve as demonstrated. The power button is located at the bottom and all you need to do is push and hold for 2 to 3 seconds and the vibrations are already on. To switch between the other settings, click on that same button. Find which pattern or vibration setting is best for you. To turn off, push and hold down for a few seconds, and it's now off. It is rechargeable. Using your USB rechargeable cable provided, simply attach the 2 magnetic parts together like so, and it can be recharged for you. And of course, once you're finished, you can remove the bullet vibrator from the sleeve and pop it in the provided luxury toy bag to keep it safe and easy to travel around with. We'd highly recommend to use this vibrator in combination with a water-based lubricant. And of course, make sure to remove the sleeve from the bullet vibrator during the cleaning process and clean with toy cleaner and lukewarm water. The bullet vibrator is waterproof, so you can use this safely in the bath or shower for extra fun either alone or with a partner. For more information on the Gaia Eco Delight vibrator, you can head over to our website. Thank you for watching and we'll see you again next time.